We already know that the Newton's first law is also known as law of inertia. So I want to discuss about that inertia concept now. Is there no? This is also known as law of inertia. So what is this inertia? Again, already I discussed earlier in the earlier class, but again I am writing inertia and mass. Already I taught now, so give me a notebook. Inertia and mass. We have a perfect definition for inertia. The inherent property of the body, the inherent property of the body by virtue of which it resists any change. It resists any change in the state of rest, in the state of rest or uniform motion. Already we know this definition. In a straight line on its own is known as inertia. So this inertia is directly proportional to mass and is also proportional to r square. Therefore, I equal to mr square. This is one important formula which you can use it, and always it is dependent on mass. I equal to mr square రాయలేదండి మీరు notebook. Okay. So what is that mass? Again we will discuss what is that mass. The mass is the amount of matter present inside a body. Amount of matter present inside a body. It is the measure of, or we can call it, it is the measure of inertia of a body. So what is this inertia? Already I know, I have discussed in the earlier. Means the ball was going, na? The ball was having a tendency to resist the change. It wanted to stay in the same position. You're getting my point? It wanted to stay in the same position. Shalim, water iva. So it wanted to continue its position of rest or uniform motion. When it was moving, rolling into, until and until it attains that height, it will continue to persist its motion. Now I'm hitting you. You are not falling down, है ना? ऐसे मार दे तो गिर थोड़ी जाओगे, ऐसे डायरेक्टली गिर थोड़ी जाओगे. You try to stay at your same position. That is something called inertia. Every body in this universe consists of inertia. Now what is mass? Mass and kanda. The amount of matter present inside a body is called as mass. Already we will use that in chemistry. Matter lo chavutam. Matter in the matter consists of particles bonded together by some chemical bonds. You learn it rare, na? Similarly, mass is the amount of matter present inside a body. Now it's very hard. What is this? How to get this mass? is weight. Weight equal to mass into gravity. We'll discuss about this concept very later. Mg, W equal to mg, everybody knows. Mass equal to weight by gravity. So if your body, weight is 70 kilos, then your gravity is 10. So your actual mass is 7 kgs. Your mass is 7 kg. అంతే mass 7 kgs ఏ మనకి. That's it. Our matter is consisting of only 7 kgs. The remaining 10 factor is multiplied. We are getting due to gravity. If gravity is not there, our mass is 7 kgs only. 7 kgs, sir. Space lo we are able to lift big heavy equipments. Why? That's it. That's why they don't need any tools to move anything. They can push an object very easily. Then if you किसी कोई astronaut को उठाए ना, बस 7 kg का वजन गिरेगा तुम्हारे हाथ के ऊपर. If you hold anybody, any person, only 7 kgs of weight will become. Suit सब मिला के maximum 2 kgs additional. 9 kgs maximum. Less than 10. Less than 10 everybody will be able to lift. आटा का 10 kg वाला bag. How much weight it is? Very easy. No pain. How much time you want, you can hold it. School bags also 3-4 kgs easily. 8 kgs bag. Okay, good. But don't maintain such bags. The government is against such things. Okay.
Government against the school.
It wanted to reduce the amount of weight of the baggage. Okay, I'm erasing this. So you are clear with this now, inertia and all. Now we'll go with the applications of inertia. Already yesterday we discussed about this very clearly. Types of inertia. First one is inertia of rest. Second one is inertia of motion. And third one is inertia of direction. Inertia of rest, inertia of motion, inertia of direction. There are 3 types of inertia, and each inertia I am going to explain right now. Clear? Inertia of rest. Already we discussed about these 3 constraints in the inference there. Clear? Same thing we are going to write here. Rest, uniform motion and direction. Newton's laws only. These 3 parameters were dealt in Newton's law of motion. Again we are dealing it in inertia. This is Newton's first law only. It's also called as inertia law. So inertia law, how it is? This is application part. You're getting it? This is application part. So inertia of rest, inertia of motion, and inertia of direction. Very important. All type 3 questions, reasoning type will come from here only. Achha, you wrote down. I told you to do it as homework, na? Neatly लिखा अच्छे से. छोड़ दिया नहीं लिखा. अभी लिख सकते थे ना. Should have written that all day clearly. Theories, बड़े theory है, very big theories. So let us see about inertia of rest. Passengers tend to fall backward when the bus starts suddenly. लगता है बस का डायग्राम तुमको 2 बार देखने का योग है, हाँ? Because yesterday it didn't record, that's why you are enjoying the diagram again. अच्छा तो अरे Sharon's bus, very nice. కావాలని జరా అరే బాగుంది చాలా బాగుంది. My bus is like this only. What can I do? This is the direction of motion. Force is acting on this direction. And Sharon, अच्छा आंख भी बना दिया बस को. Wow, I will also improvise. So this guy is standing here. This is not tail. Don't think it is tail. People think it is tail. अरे इसको tail बना दिया. It's not tail. So he's standing on the bus. ऐसे पकड़ के खड़ा है.
हिंदी बस
हाँ
हिंदी बस
हाँ हिंदी बस only. You went hanging in the bus one sometime. What, Shreya? You went hanging or like on the doorstep. Hey, right, go. It will go. I say some people will be there. They will be standing on the that doorsteps. Top, chalo. It will go. So the bus was moving. So what is happening here? When the bus is moving, the legs. Already I told yesterday, the legs, the legs are at motion of the bus. The head is or this chest. Actually, this is always taken as reference. आत्मा इधर ही है, यही है, नीचे नहीं है. Okay. So the V equal to 0. That is 0. So there is a sudden movement of the legs. Therefore, when the legs are moving but I am at rest, it creates a jerk or inertia. That is called inertia of rest in the first case. Second example that I want to deal. Shaking of branches, trees, fruits fall down. Trees, fruit fall down. Why they fall down? That the branches or the stem is given a velocity when we are moving, and there is a tender stem for holding of the mango fruit. The fruit is with weight suspended in air, having gravity. Whenever we are moving the branch, it's have the velocity. This VB like that. The velocity is given to the branch, but not to the fruit. Fruit is at rest. So immediately there is a failure at the stem point, and it falls down. That's the second example. Dust removed from the bed. You are taking a stick, daba 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 badastar. So what happens? The the bed will take the velocity, and the dust particles who are at rest will be taking the velocity and coming out. That is inertia of rest. Bullet fired creates a hole in the glass plane, but don't break it. This is the most important example. This is the इधर से आया, इधर से गया. This bullet. Now what it is happening? The velocity of the bullet is very greater than 0. Rest. Very high. The glass is at rest. Therefore, when you are penetrating at very high speed, now you are there. Bullet is touching you. It is penetrating deep into the body, not disturbing the wound here. The wound is created inside
inside
when it is stopped. Clear? That is the application here. The bullet, when it is fired into a glass plane, it will penetrate into it and make a small hole. You will take the glass at that particular instant, break immediately. Okay, that is the example for inertia of rest. Now we'll go to inertia of motion. Inertia of motion, converse example. Motion and rest are converse to each other. When a bus stops, suddenly passengers lean forward. Here leaning backward due to inertia of rest. Now in this case, same bus. थोड़ी देर जाके सिग्नल गिरा, रुक गया. Now what is happening? This guy's leg is there. Here, the leg is in V equal to 0. Brake took applied brake, but the body is still in motion. The heel forward, lean forward, because it is taking for velocity. I am taking velocity, but my legs are not taking the velocity. That's why when you are coming down from the running train, it is asked to take little smart run up. ऐसे खड़ा हो तो गिर जाएगा पक्का. Okay. A person jumps from a bus may fall forward. See, next example is that only. Okay. Third one, long jump. Athlete takes a run up to take the jump because he needs to attain the velocity. That is inertia of motion. He takes if the velocity is there, he will take a more jump. If rest is there, then it's no use. He said rest and suddenly means its energy will be wasted and he can't go long. Next, inertia of direction. This is the last one. Car taking a turn is the best example. When he is steering towards the left, he will lean towards the right. ఇలా తిప్పేటప్పుడు ఇలా తిప్పుతాడు చూడు సినిమా స్టైల్. In the movies of that Ajay Devgan, he will like this ऐसे करके घुमाएगा और डोर को ओपन करके इधर से बाहर निकलेगा ऐसे. हाँ. While taking left turn, he will like this. He will do and throw the heroine outside. Kill Bill part में. Yes. You see that rail. He will the car will be playing handbrake and it will be rotating only. Till the timing will give the dialogue, it will be rotating. Dialogue completed, but still rotating. Such type of movies really in Telugu movie especially boypart scene సినిమాలు అంటారు కదా. These are the wheels of the car. Now this guy is here. This is a person. Now the car when he is taking a left turn, he will lean towards the right. This is a car, मान लो. Here only driver, when taking a right turn, will lean towards the left. Clear? Simple representation. So this is the end of the inertia of direction, and the inertia topic is over. You write down all this properly, neatly frame all the laws, neatly frame every this is big explanations. I've written very simply, so you can write down. I told you yesterday to do it, but you didn't do it. Whenever you are free, you do it. Okay. So we'll go with the next topic, acceleration. See, not acceleration, momentum and second law today. Okay. రాయడానికా? వదలండి, వదిలేసి రాయండి.